Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies in microwave at home full guide. Start by gathering butter, sugar, flour, an egg, and a microwave-safe plate or mug. Measure ingredients precisely and preheat nothing. Mix quickly until dough comes together, adjust sugar to taste, portion on plate, and cook in 30 to 90 seconds depending on microwave power. Let cool briefly before serving for best texture. Enjoy warm cookies. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and calm. Use softened butter, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup flour, 1 tsp vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Mix by hand in a bowl or mug until just combined and avoid overmixing to keep cookies tender. Portion dough into equal dollops, leaving space for spread. Cook briefly and check often. Timing is the trickiest part, so start with a short test cookie to learn your microwave. Cook in 30 to 90 seconds depending on wattage and size, and always check right away since cookies continue to firm as they cool. If edges brown too fast, reduce power or use a lighter plate. For chewy centers, slightly undercook and allow resting time. Take notes so your next batch is perfect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.